How do generative AI models become creative? Imagine a machine that can come up with new ideas, images, or stories all on its own. It might sound like science fiction, but it's actually how some of the most advanced artificial intelligence systems work. These models don't just copy what they see. They learn patterns, structures, and relationships from huge amounts of data. Then, they use that knowledge to create something fresh and original. Think of it like a student who studies thousands of paintings or books and then starts making their own unique art or stories. Generative AI models are built on what are called foundation models. These are trained on diverse datasets that cover many topics and styles. They learn to predict what comes next in a sequence. For example, large language models like ChatGPT analyze previous words to generate coherent sentences. Image models like DALL or Midjourney interpret descriptive prompts and combine visual patterns to produce new images. They don't just memorize, they understand enough to generate content that looks and feels real. The process of creativity in AI can be explained through a concept called blind variation and selective retention. The AI produces many different versions of content without a specific goal. It then evaluates these options based on certain criteria like originality or relevance. Human users often guide this process by giving prompts or feedback. They act like curators, selecting the best outputs and refining the results. This back and forth helps the AI push boundaries and come up with ideas that are both new and useful. Advanced architectures like generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders help these models learn complex data patterns. These tools enable the AI to generate high-quality images, text, music, or videos. For example, a designer might use DALL to create visual concepts, or a writer might use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. These models are also integrated into productivity tools through plugins, making creative tasks faster and easier. However, AI's creativity is limited by its training data. It can sometimes produce outputs that seem repetitive or derivative. But when people guide and evaluate the results, AI can help explore new ideas and push creative limits. This collaboration is opening up new career paths for those learning AI skills, especially in art, design, content creation, and even scientific research. Ethical questions come into play too. Who owns the art or content created by AI? How do we prevent misuse or bias? Responsible use involves transparency and understanding the data behind the models. When used thoughtfully, generative AI can be a powerful tool for innovation, helping people turn ideas into reality and opening up exciting opportunities in many fields. In short, generative AI models become creative by learning from vast amounts of data, generating many variations, and working alongside humans to select and refine the best ideas. This blend of machine learning and human guidance is shaping new ways to think, create, and solve problems across society and careers.